I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a smart pet feeder from the company Frienhund. Maybe is how you would say that. And let's just look over the box here. It's suitable for cats, dogs, rabbits, squirrels, and small pets. Whatever your small pet is. Rated voltage is 5 volts, 1 amp. Oh, wow. Power consumption is 5 watts. That is a low power consumption. So, yeah, it uses 3 D-cell batteries or USB power cord. We will test that out and see how that works. ABS, stainless steel. You see right there, smart. This is a Wi-Fi. It uses 2.4 and 5 gig hertz Wi-Fi. It's got a feeding schedule, mixed food. It's Alexa supported, dual power supply, stainless steel bowl, feeding history. You know what? Let's just open it up. Let's see what we get in the package here. You get a little user manual. You do have an app that you need to download with that, and I will show you that. Very nicely packaged. Each one is individually wrapped, just like that. They have foam between each one of them. Oh, this is the unit itself. Well, I think that's everything. Throw that there. So let's just open it up. Let me go ahead and unwrap all this and then we'll come back. Okay, I just unwrapped it all. We got it all laid out here. You know what? It looks pretty self-explanatory, but let's just look over this user manual real quick. You don't use wet food. Well, that's obvious. Installation video. So you do have a video if you want to go check it out. It can hold up to 7 liters. A 7-liter capacity on the bucket. And it only uses dry food. Portion size, it goes between 5 and 12 grams each time. So you could do whatever, however much you want to send out on this thing. Here's all of the stuff that came with it. I did verify it was all with it. And here's how you stack it. Right like that. It looks like, oh, here we go. It says 1 right here. 2. Oh, there's a, I guess that's some sort of filter or something in there. So that goes just like that. That slides on just like that. This is what cycles the food. So you got the opening here. Just go straight down into the opening, and that locks into place just like that. What is this thing for? Oh, that's to mount it to the wall if you need to. So that drops in there like that. And then once it's in, it pops into place. Oh, that was pretty simple. And then this goes on top of it right here. And we are set. That's it, everybody. Now, it has a power block that came with it, but it's a USB powered. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to power it with a power brick. I've got a little power bank over here that I'm going to use and see if that will work. So let me get it set up, and let's see if the thing comes on. Okay, everybody, I just went ahead and set it all up. And to add the food, I added, the rest of this 9 Lives Daily Essentials in here. So we are full on that. All you got to do is squeeze that, and you see down in there, I might have to go get some more and to fill this thing up. So once I added that in there, I got my power bank. Turn the power bank on, and that is running this great. I will plug it into the wall once I find a final setup, and this is a spot where you can screw it in so it doesn't get moved. But let me just kind of like show you how to set this thing up. So the name of the app is called Smart Life. You will have to download this app and set it up. You can see I set up the intelligent feeder. As soon as you bring it up here, watch this. So I could be anywhere in the world as long as I'm on Wi-Fi, and watch that. So I'm on LTE, but watch. This is on Wi-Fi, so this needs to be close enough. I did lock it into my signal here at the house, so it is locked onto the network now, but watch. Hit the feed. Is that not awesome? It lets me know that I fed him, and then it tells me the date and time. So you can see the time, and then I can click on the time. You can see the feeding schedules. I did test it out before I started the video here. And look, if I want to go more food, so number, let's say I want to do 4. Watch this. There's 3, 4. You see how much food's in this right here? So that lets me know that it's 4 feeds. And it looks like one food is around about where you'd want to go. So 1, you can kind of see. Let me empty this out. Actually, we'll keep this lid off. So that way we can see how much 1 does. This thing is awesome. Watch. So that's one food. That would be enough for one cat. In my opinion, there's a thing, I think a lot of people overfeed their cats. Me personally, I think one right there, if you do that maybe 3 times a day, that's enough. Let me set this thing up. By the way, if you notice, I'm outside in the yard. There is no cords running to this. So you could put D batteries in here and then have this plugged in. And if the power's out, you still have this. Well, technically, you'd need the Wi-Fi, but you'd be able to hit the button right here. What's that? That's the feed button, and there's the connection button. Let me set this up. Let's bring the cat over and see what he thinks about it. See if he likes it. I just fed him through the Wi-Fi. Check it out, everybody. So see, if you just want, he might have already ate today, by the way. I haven't been, I got a little setup for him over there, but now you can see, he just need to be pointing the right direction. He's like, I've got a full stomach. Does he look like he's not been fed? Look at that gut on him. But everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that does a lot of traveling and they want to be able to feed their cats and just have it set up. I think this would be great for, if you fill that thing up with 7 liters, you'd probably be able to last, I don't know, at least a week. So if you had like an automatic water setup, you could set a lot of water up. You could set up as many as you want on here because this app has a lot of different options on here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, intelligent pet feeder with scheduler. See you on the next video.